right, needless to say, it has been a while since I've made a YouTube video. Pretty much since I've gotten back from the Tail of the Dragon, which was at the end of October, which was an absolute blast. If you did not see any of those videos, link in the description to the playlist. That was a lot of fun. Pretty much the most fun I've had in the GTI. Now, since then, I really have not made any changes to the car. Really, the only thing I've done is pretty much get an O2 sensor spacer to eliminate my check engine light for the high flow CTS turbo catted downpipe. But as you guys can see from the title of this video, right now all we're going to be doing is an unboxing, but later in the week I'll be taking the GTI to the shop, throwing it on the lift, and doing the exhaust. So I'm super excited to announce that XFORCE has sent me an entire catback system for the Mark 7 GTI. I'm super stoked on this. If you're interested and curious about the current exhaust setup, link in the description. I am happy with it as it currently is, but to be completely honest, I feel like it's just missing something. I feel like it's just a little too quiet. So let's open up the garage and unbox this exhaust. All right. So here is the box that XFORCE has sent to us. So they are designed and engineered in Australia from down under, which is super cool. So let me grab a knife and let's open up this box. Let's lay it out and let's take a look at what we're working with. All right, well, let's take a look at everything that came inside the box. I just unpackaged everything. Super nice packaging provided by XFORCE. Really nice design and craftsmanship right off the gate. So yeah, let's just take a look at everything we have here. So basically coming off the GTI, coming off of the CTS downpipe, once it comes down, we can either run a resonator or not, which I think we're most likely opting for no resonator on this setup. That, I think, will give that little car over there the perfect, nice little grumble and growl that it's kind of missing. So I think we're going to run no resonator. Then from there, we have our muffler. It's a very, I'm not going to take all of this off yet until we go to the shop, but you can see there, you can see the welds. We have new hanger clamps as well. I'll show you the tips here in just a second. But yeah, we have the muffler. And then look at this. That's what I was talking about, the craftsmanship. I can't wait to see that on the car. That'll be super cool to see from the rear at a nice low perspective. And then from here, we have our pipes over there that'll come out to our tips and take a look at that. That's pretty cool. I'm very excited to run these, the entire exhaust system. Cannot wait just a couple more days, and we will be pulling the GTI into the shop. I will see you guys at the shop. All right, well, basically the moment that I've been waiting for all week. I've been at the shop all week, but we are at the shop now. Finally have kind of a slow day. It's Friday. The sun's out, which is awesome. And we are going to go pull the GTI into the shop right now. I'm going to do some service first, oil change, rotate my tires, and then we are going to start working on the exhaust and get this XFORCE exhaust onto the GTI with no resonator. I am beyond hype. You coming off? Yeah. Nice, that looks like it freed it up. Looks like it.
Yeah. There we go.
Yep. Go. All right. Where's that ring? Right there. So theoretically, this should sit. So I could use that.
This goes into the strap.
Yep. So then that gets. Yep, that all makes sense. But that. I wonder if that's what this pipe is over here. There goes my dad to the rescue. Shout out, Dad. Because basically the main issue that we ran into here is, I actually ran into this issue with my previous exhaust setup. And obviously XFORCE doesn't know exactly what downpipe I have on here. So they're probably assuming factory. They're probably assuming factory exhaust. But I'm basically missing essentially like a 15 to 16 3.5 inch section of exhaust. I need 3.25 inch to 3 inch, and that should solve our problem. So my dad's running to Advanced and AutoZone trying to come up with a solution to this problem, and then I have to run to dinner with my parents, and then I'm gonna probably be back here late tonight. If not, Tony said he can help me out tomorrow morning just to make sure that there's no issues. But for now, before I forget, I'm gonna drop some oil into this thing because we just changed the oil, put the new drain plug in, gotta put the new filter and oil because we don't wanna forget about that. So I'll see you guys with an update later. Well, here we are, Monday. It has been a hectic day already for me at work, very busy running around, but I did pick up the part that I needed from Fisher. So it is still slightly too long. Tony's gonna cut it like somewhere around here, but as you can see, this connector is bringing our exhaust where now we line up, but we're just a little long. Before we were ending up somewhere over here. So we're right in that little sweet spot, and this thing should be bolted back up and ready to go here very soon. The sun's out currently, but by the time I get off work, of course, we're supposed to have some crappy weather. So we'll see what I'm able to record today or tomorrow. But either way, I'm super, super, super stoked for this XFORCE exhaust. Even Tony the whole time was saying how much better it looks than my previous exhaust and how good it's gonna sound. So stay tuned. Bang, bang. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Tony got it. This is the part I picked up this morning from Fisher. Cut off a little bit of the cat here to make some room, and now look at that. Lines right up. You can see the car from the rear has a really nice rear appearance with the logo, the XFORCE logo right there. The tips look awesome. Little logo there on the tips. So now, pretty much moment of truth. I'm gonna double check that my car has oil in it because I filled it up, but I did spill some, so I just wanna make sure that we're good there. And then it's time to start this bad girl. I cannot wait. All right, guys, about to be the moment of truth. The XFORCE exhaust is completely installed, no resonator. So we are gonna see how she sounds, make sure everything's snug and there's no vibrations or anything like that. Had to grab a new hanger for down here. So we got that in place. So now we're gonna lower the car and fire it up. Here it is, guys, the XFORCE exhaust. Well, just like that, the XFORCE exhaust is officially installed on the MK7 GTI. I'm super stoked on this. It sounds really good, but get ready for the next section of this video where we're gonna have some revs, some flybys, and some mic'd up exhaust as well. Again, huge shout out to XFORCE for providing me with this exhaust for my 2015 GTI. Make sure to check them out. Click the first link in the bio. It'll bring you directly to XFORCE's website. Do not sleep on this exhaust. I had a previously I had a very well known name brand exhaust on here that I'm not going to talk about right now. And I can already tell you the build quality of this exhaust, just the look of it, the overall finish, and the sound is significantly better than some of the options on the market now. So make sure if you're looking for an exhaust for your MK7 GTI that you check out XFORCE. Click that link in the description. Alright guys, finally the moment I've been waiting for. We're gonna get some outside clips. I got my dad here with me. I'm gonna do a couple of flybys, and I'm also gonna mic up the exhaust and do like an interior POV to hear this. I think it sounds absolutely awesome. It's got a little bit more of like a crackling noise to it than my previous exhaust, and definitely sounds a lot louder, higher up in the RPM. So I'll probably do like a second gear, come by once or twice, and then pull back in. And that way we can hear the exhaust. I'll do a couple two steps and stuff as well. And yeah, let's listen to it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the XFORCE catback exhaust install with no resonator. Again, huge shout out to XFORCE for providing me with their catback system. It's also super cool to me, no matter what you order, it comes with a resonator or with a resonator delete pipe, which to me is a super awesome option, especially if you opt for a resonator and then later on decide to take it off. It's really nice that they offer that option. They are engineered and designed in Australia from down under, so click that first link in my description. Check them out, let them know that Pat sent you, and also leave your comments below on what you think about the new exhaust setup provided by XFORCE. I am super stoked, super thankful, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.